This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF in Canva. To begin, open Canva and select Create a Design, then choose Import File. Navigate to your PDF, then click Open. Once uploaded, your document will appear in your recent designs. Click on it to open it in the Canva editor. This process takes only a few moments, and you will be ready for the next step. With your PDF open, you have two simple ways to add your signature. First, you can draw it by going to Elements, then searching for Line or Shape. Use freehand drawing tools to create your unique mark. Or, second, upload an image of your existing signature. Drag and drop this image into your design area, which is often quicker and more consistent. Once your signature is on the canvas, it is time to place it accurately. Simply click on the signature and drag it to the desired spot on your PDF. Resize it by grabbing one of the corner handles. You can also rotate it slightly if needed for a natural look. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the signature line, giving it a truly official feel. After positioning your signature, the final step is to download your signed document. Click the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. It is crucial to choose PDF print as your file type for the best quality. Then, simply click Download again, and your signed document will be ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.